Janice?
Yes?
How's the writing going?
I did start writing a script, but I don't know.
Come on, Janice, don't do this to me. Can't you see it? A whole community of theater lovers like us.
No, not really.
Come on, it could be huge. It could be huge.
Okay, if you say so, I have my doubts.
Look, can we try to have an optimistic outlook? Can we buck up just enough to see the world won't fall apart? Maybe this year we'll decide we're not giving up before we've tried. This year we'll make a new start. Another stellar conversation for the scrapbooks. Another stumble as I'm reaching for the right thing to say. Well, I'm kind of coming up empty, can't find a way to you. Does anybody have a map? Anybody maybe happen to know how the hell to do this? I don't know if you can tell, but this is me just pretending to know. So where's the map? I need a clue. Cause the scary truth is I'm flying blind, and I'm making this up as I go.
Why don't you ever listen to me? This is not going to work. Another masterful attempt ends with disaster. You wait and see. Pour another cup of coffee and watch it all crash and burn. It's a puzzle, it's a maze. I try to steer through it a million ways, but each day is another wrong turn. Does anybody have a map? Anybody maybe happen to know how the hell to do this? I don't know if you can tell, but this is me just pretending to know. So where's